You bought the house, you're all moved in, and then bam, your water heater goes out, your taxes go up. You realize mowing the lawn is now your full-time weekend job. Welcome to home ownership. It's beautiful, but it's not always what Instagram makes it look like. Let's talk about the stuff no one tells you. Hey, I'm Ashur Benjamin, I'm a loan officer, and I'm a home ownership educator. Buying a home is one of the biggest, if not the biggest milestone that you will experience in your life. But once you get the keys, there's a whole new chapter that begins. Today I'm walking you through the real side of home ownership, the good, the hard, and the stuff no one talks about. Let's start with the stuff that hits your wallet. You've probably heard about closing costs, but what about property taxes that go up every year? HOA assessments that aren't included in the monthly dues? Random repairs like a leaky faucet that turns into a $2,000 plumbing job? Annual maintenance like roof inspections, HVAC servicing, pest control, resealing concrete? Home ownership's amazing, but it's not just a mortgage payment. You're the landlord now, and the handyman, and the accountant. I had a client call me a couple years ago, about a month or two after closing. Hey Ashur, I was outside mowing the lawn, rock got in my lawnmower, shot out, broke my window, what do I do now? I remember one time a client called me a couple months after closing like, Ashur, I just spent the whole Saturday fixing a leak next to the wall between my neighbor's house. No one told me this was part of the deal of owning a home. And yeah, stuff breaks, paints chip, grass grows faster than your energy to mow it is. But here's the flip side, it's yours. You're not calling a landlord, you're building equity. And over time, these small annoyances turn into pride. Like a, hey, I did that kind of pride. So let's switch gears for a second. While you're fixing stuff and replacing light bulbs, you're also quietly building something incredible. Equity, tax benefits, appreciation, future flexibility. I've had clients tap into HELOCs for emergencies, remodels, even to start their own businesses. You don't always see the wealth you're building until you look back 5 to 10 years later and go, wait, this house made me how much? The mental shift of being a homeowner means there's a mindset change that has to happen too. You go from renting a space to owning a space. It's not just about money, it's about stability. You get to decorate the house how you want. You raise the family how you want. You get to host holidays, build memories. That's the stuff no one talks about. It's not just a financial decision, it's a personal one. But the truth is, that first year can be hard. There might be buyer's remorse, you'll have unexpected bills, there's learning curves, and that's okay. The more you know before you buy, the better prepared you'll be. So if you're thinking of buying, or you already did, just know this. Yeah, it's work to own a home. Yes, there will definitely be surprises, and those surprises could be expensive. But it's also one of the most powerful, meaning, and rewarding things that you can do, and you don't have to figure it out alone. That's what I'm here for. If you have questions or concerns, please schedule a free call with me in the description below, or drop a comment. I'll answer it too personally. Hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.